Hey there pranksters, welcome back to another hack video, and in this particular video I will be showing you guys 20 clever ways to hide your valuables such as money or snacks at a home to keep your family members from stealing them. But before we get started with these, let's get to the giveaways. And in my last video I did mention that I was gonna give away an Xbox One at 5,000 likes. Well, guess what? We are so close to achieving that goal. We need less than 300 likes, so most likely I will announce the winner of that Xbox One in my next video. Link for this giveaway is in the description just in case you haven't entered yet. As far as the box of snacks giveaway, congratulations Justine Marie. Just like Roby won here, you will be getting a box full of snacks. So hopefully the hacks that I show you in this video will come in handy when it comes to keeping your snacks away from your family members. Now on to the giveaway for this video. If this video happens to get 10,000 likes, I will be giving away a brand new Nintendo Switch. You could be just like this winner right here from a previous giveaway, and all you have to do to enter this giveaway is leave a like on this video as well as a cool comment below telling me which of these hiding spots was your favorite and what would you hide. This giveaway begins once this video gets 10,000 likes, and it has to happen before July 31st, 2019. Again, to participate, just like and comment on this video. I highly advise that you also subscribe and have your notifications on so you know sooner whether you won or not. Winner will have 7 days to claim their prize, so it's very important that you have your notifications on. With all that being said, now let's get this video going. Let's begin with something simple, and a towel rack is an ideal spot to hide some money. Since most rods on a basic towel rack are hollow, you can easily remove the rod just like I did right here, and as you can see there's a lot of room in there to hide your valuables, but for now I'm just gonna store this $20 bill in there. Just roll it up and see how easily it fits in there? The last step is to put the rod back where it goes, and I'm telling you guys, no one will ever think of looking inside this towel rack, so your money and other valuables will remain protected and untouched, and only you'll know that they are there. If you have a painting like one of these hanging on your wall at home, you can use it to your benefit, especially if you have a bunch of snacks that you want to hide and keep away from your family members. Basically, all you have to do is lay the painting on a table upside down, and on top you can begin to place your snacks as long as they fit in there. Make sure that they are not too thick. For example, here I have the perfect size snacks. See how creative I got? I recommend that you guys also secure your snacks on with some tape. One strip of tape should do the trick. Now you guys can hang the painting back on the wall, and whenever you start craving some sugar, just lift up the painting and grab what you need from it. Here's another $20 bill that I need to hide. One of the best options for me is to grab a roll of tape, but this particular roll of tape is not your average roll. It's an aluminum foil tape, and the best part is that it's not sticky unless you peel it open. Anyway guys, all I'm gonna do here is fold up my $20 bill and place it inside the tape while a small portion of it is unrolled. By wrapping it around the money, no one will know that it's there. A piece of clear tape should keep everything in place, and now I can just casually sit this roll anywhere. Just hope that nobody needs it at any point. Here I have a DVD case and a video game case. These are typical items that you would find in any household. Inside of these cases, you guys can store some candy, and this is ideal for small and flat candy. Just open up the case and put the candy inside. I recommend that you guys use movies and video games that nobody would consider watching or playing. A shoebox is also a great place to hide some of your favorite snacks. Well, I wouldn't say the shoebox exactly, it's the shoes that are inside the box, especially if the shoes are brand new. Simply remove the stuffing from inside the shoes and stick your snacks inside. For example, here I have a bag of cookies that will fit in perfectly. All I do now is put the stuffing back inside to hide my bag of cookies. Then the shoes go back inside the box, and the last step is to close it. Knowing that the shoes are brand new, people will leave them alone. Inside of this large container is my protein powder, so yes, I can easily bury my $20 bill in there, but the money is so dirty that I'd rather not mess with it. Instead, if you pay attention to this large screw cap, you guys can see that there's a round piece of cardboard. Well, that can easily be removed, and I can sandwich my money in between just like this. No one really pays attention to the bottom of a cap, so I know my money will be safe. If you have a stuffed animal laying around, why not use it to store all your snacks that you want to save for later? For example, here I have a stuffed teddy bear, so try to cut it open on the side. You might need to remove some of the cotton to make room for your snacks depending on the amount that you have. But once you have all your snacks in there, you can attach a zipper on it to close the opening or just use a safety pin. Just keep the teddy bear out of the way so no one accidentally finds your food. This is for emergencies, for when you guys get hungry. This one right here is one of my favorite secret safes, but also it's a little risky. So basically here you're gonna need a bottle of all-purpose cleaner such as this Lysol spray bottle. You're also gonna need a sandwich bag. Let's begin by unscrewing the bottle so you have access to the inside. Then let's put our money inside this sandwich bag. This will protect it from getting wet because of course we do not want to damage our money. Roll up the bag with the money and push it inside the bottle. Just make sure that a small piece of sandwich bag sticks out before you actually twist the nozzle back on. The last step is to cut off the piece that sticks out. Just keep the spray bottle underneath the sink so it's out of reach. Hopefully it's full so you guys can keep your money in there hidden for longer. For this method, just take all your favorite snacks and put them inside a Ziploc bag. Try to get the largest bag that you can find, that way you can hide more snacks. The idea here is to protect our snacks, and you'll see why in a second. Basically what we're gonna do is remove the bag from the trash bin and put our snacks inside. Then we'll put the bag back on. I recommend that you use a trash bin that rarely gets used or that it doesn't get full fast. I don't think anyone would imagine that they could find snacks inside a trash bin, right? Another similar method is to take that same bag of snacks and put them inside a place no one would think of looking, and that is inside a toilet. Well, not the toilet bowl, but rather the tank. Just remove the lid and put the bag inside. Don't worry though, the bag will keep your snacks dry. Place the lid back on and that's it. The tank is rarely open, so you know your snacks will be safe in there. And hey, now you can have a snack while in the bathroom. If you happen to have a dresser with a bunch of drawers, that is perfect to hide some candy. And no, I'm not saying stash all your sweets in there, but actually underneath. Just pull out the drawer and on the bottom you can tape all the candy that will fit in there. Notice that I can easily close the drawer with the candy taped underneath. No one will be able to spot the candy unless they are super short, but in that case, just try this method on the bottom drawers and your candy will be safe. Now, if you're trying to hide your money, here's another way that you guys can use a drawer for that. Take any drawer that you want and pull it out completely. I did not struggle with this one at all, so hopefully you don't either, as you will need access to the back of this drawer. Now all you do is take some tape and stick your money on it. The last step is to put the drawer back in where it goes. There is no reason for anyone to actually look behind a drawer, so this is one of the safest spots in your house to hide your money. You can actually leave it there for years and your money would not get stolen. Here's a seasonal hiding spot for you, a coat. You know that these are not popular during summer as there's no use for them, so why not take advantage of that by stashing all your snacks into the coat's pockets. And yes, coats tend to have really large pockets, so you can definitely hide a bunch of your favorite snacks in there. Just leave the coat hanging in the closet. Every time you crave a snack, just dig through the pockets of the coat. Let me show you one of my favorite types of closet doors. This right here is a sliding closet door and they are very convenient to close. The best thing I like about these is the spaces in between them. Just notice the gap between both doors. Well, guess what? We're gonna use that extra space to hide some candy bars. Before we begin, make sure that the doors are completely closed just like you see right here. And all we're gonna do is tape our candy onto the door really close to the edge where both doors overlap. At this point, just slide open the closet door and no one will be able to see the candy bars. Just make sure that those doors remain open at all times. For these next couple of secret hiding spots, we're gonna be using any regular door inside the house, such as this one right here. We're gonna attempt to hide some money, and to do that, first take your cash, such as this dollar bill, fold it in half long ways just like this, and basically with a piece of tape, we're gonna stick it underneath the door, right on the bottom. No matter how many times the door is opened or closed, your money will not be seen unless your family members are as tall as an ant. Now let's focus on the doorknob, and for this you will need a screwdriver as we have to loosen up the screws so we are able to pull out the doorknob just a bit but not completely. At this point we can take our money such as this dollar bill and fold it enough times so we can easily slide it inside the doorknob. Once it's in there, just tighten the screws and you have successfully hid your money inside a doorknob. Rarely do these get switched out, so your money will remain untouched. Here's a classic hiding spot. your bed, and sure, you can easily put your valuables underneath the bed, but that would be so obvious for some people. So what I recommend you guys do is sandwich your things between the top mattress and the bottom mattress. So hopefully your bed has 2 of these, and for this example I will be hiding my box of M&Ms. This is one of the best hiding spots out there. Earlier we used a stuffed teddy bear as a secret safe. Well, you guys can also do that with a pillow, and basically you follow the same steps. Make an opening and start to fill up the pillow with your favorite snacks. This is a perfect hack for you people out there that like to snack in the middle of the night. You'll have food inside your pillow. How convenient is that, right? If you want to hide your money in the kitchen, I recommend that you grab yourself anything that has a roll and is inside a box, such as these common kitchen items. Here I have rolls of plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and wax paper, and this is the roll I'll be using. I'm just gonna take my dollar bill and roll it up. No tape is needed for this, just push it in, and now I can place the roll back inside its box. If wax paper is rarely used in your household, your money will be safe here for a very long time. Last but not least, if you're one of those people that purchase electronics but never throw away the boxes, well, guess what? You can use those boxes to hide your valuables, and in this case we have a box where my Xbox came in, so I will stash my favorite snacks in there and close it. There's no reason for anybody to open up this box, so I know that my snacks will be safe in there. There you guys have it, 20 creative hiding spots at home for when you want to keep your valuables from getting stolen by your family members. Now, at the start of this video I did mention that there is a Nintendo Switch giveaway, and to enter all you have to do is leave a like on this video as well as a comment below. That's it. This giveaway is open to any one of my subscribers, no matter where you live or what your age is. Everyone is eligible. Good luck to all of you who participate. I will see you pranksters in my next video.